Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahona. This video is the fourth video of the computer vision series. In this video, we have a new program which is called the AI virtual keyboard. So basically you can operate a keyboard just by moving your hands in the air. The primary libraries that I used are OpenCV, MediaPipe, and that's all. These are the basic libraries you need for computer vision. And another new library that I found out recently was the CV Zone library. So in one of my previous video, a viewer had a question that person was getting an error of not having the attribute uh, find hands. Most probably that was the error. So I found a really easy solution to that, which is just import the library CV Zone. You need to pip install it in Microsoft, if you're in a Microsoft computer, in command prompt, or you can also actually download the package if you are using PyCharm from the settings. And please download version 1.4 because 1.5 and above are not suitable and you won't really find those functions. So please make a note of that. Now moving on to my work and my coding, I will be share screening. So here is my code. As you can see, I have imported CV2, CV Zone. I've also imported NumPy for doing a little bit of mathematics in the code. And this library, the PinePute library, it is for making the keyboard controller. This part is for the webcam so that my webcam actually works and I can draw on it. And this is basically the part which is detecting my hand. It's a very simple line of code, but it's very important. And these are the keys as per the keyboard letters. And then we have a function of drawing the buttons in the camera so that you can actually click on them just like you do in a computer. And this part, I wrote it out before, but then I put it into comments because I didn't really need it because I've already put it here. And this is another class, it's not a function. And inside the class, I have a function which is self-initialization. So all the viewers who are viewing this video, you should have a basic idea of self-initialization because if you don't understand that, you won't really get the other parts of the programming. So this is basically the user will give me the input and it will work in that way. And I actually made so many functions because I can't really keep drawing a button specifically in the camera. That will be a long task to do. So I broke it down into many parts so that it's easier for me. Then we have, this is the main loop. We have the main loop, which is the reading the camera, then making lists. So the mathematics part comes here. I would recommend you to pause this video and go through the coding part because if you don't, you won't really understand how it works. And the coding is really small. And now I will be running this code. So I will put my camera off now because the camera will be on when I am operating the keyboard. It usually takes some time to load. And I will also load the notepad. So there we go. Here is the keys, just like the keyboard in your computer. And see here, it is actually detecting my hand. So if you are just doing this, then it's selecting. And once you are putting both your fingers up, it means that you have selected that letter. Now, You can actually not only do it here, you can also write in Notepad or website using this keyboard. I will load my Notepad so that I can actually show you what I mean. So there we go. Now, for example, let's go with, okay, A. Z. Sometimes a bit difficult to type, but after practicing it a bit and after this program is run for some time, it works really well. And that's all I wanted to show you, and thank you for watching this video.